Flying into Orlando International Airport late at night and need a place to stay before your bus leaves the next morning for Port Canaveral? Perhaps the Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport Hotel will meet your needs. It is right there at the airport. I was in the same situation back in September 2023, so I stayed there. Join me on a tour of room 761 at the Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport Hotel. Welcome to Nancy and Dan Travel. I'm Dan. Nancy and I are passionate about relaxing, memorable vacations for adults and multi-generational families. We publish videos weekly primarily on adult vacations to Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and on cruises. As you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on another of our travel adventures. So to your right is the bathroom. It's a really good size. Toilet area, very plush towels, very nice. And off to the other side is the combo shower and bathtub. Again, the shampoo and conditioner and shower gel on the wall waiting for you. Nice grab bar, that always helps. Size sink, let the lights around the mirror. That's a really nice touch. Alright, several mirrors here. Here's another full-length mirror. Hello. And we continue. Over to the right. We have area to hang the clothes. 2 drawers. And that's something that Marriott brand hotels seem to be not having the past several years, or any drawers in their rooms. And, of course, if you want to iron your clothes. Now, do notice the size or the length of the area to hang your clothes. It may be a bit too short for men's pants, ladies' dresses. But take note of that. As we continue, there's a good-sized bed. On both sides, we have the night table. Very nice. Frequently, it's just one side. And yes, plug-ins on both sides. Thermostat. Very popular. Fire alarm. Sprinkler. Here's the vent. I know, you can't buy this kind of tour anywhere. So at the foot of the bed, across the foot of the bed, we have a very nice, good-sized TV, and which I really appreciate traveling a lot, is a small ledge right there beneath the TV. Desk for do your work. Again, plug-ins, including UBS plug-in at the desk lamp. A small, this is very nice actually. Really nice, I'm really impressed. Small mini fridge. So cool it is. Actually, that's not bad. It's not cold. It's good enough to chill your beverages. So we have coffee, in-room coffee, water, even a safe. Very nice. Put that in. We have the balcony. Now you think, holy smokes, you got a balcony in the airport. Well, no. The door is permanently closed for my safety. But nonetheless, it's a very nice view. And again, we are on the 7th floor. Hear a little bit of noise from the concourse, not too much. And there's a couch. Yes, you can see my luggage there. Very impressive. And above the bed, there's the light. So that's where they hid in the light. This is a very nice touch. Like the fashion might be a bit too bright. Oh no, very nice room. Now, it is a Hyatt, so nice room in the Hyatt brand, comes with the price. Just be aware. But for a short, if you will, overnight stay, if you're coming in late to MCO for Orlando International Airport and taking Mayor's transportation or maybe the Disney Cruise Line bus to Port Canaveral, or again, near transportation to Disney World or Universal, what have you. This is a very nice option. The convenience is right there. GoPro, stop recording. So again, that's it for our review for the room at the Hyatt at the Orlando International Airport, MCO Airport. Till next time.
Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.